القصة
Where in China are you from?
In Chengdu,
القصة let's get the news from the Carol Vega Naga Yunus Pere. Once upon a time,
I lived in Chengdu.
Carol Vega, when he
1981,
wanted to
1980.
get married to the Naga Yunus Pere, he promised, I will never get another woman after you. And then Aga Yunus Pere said, okay. Yeah, they agreed and they got married. But government pick up the Aga Yunus Pere from Jahan Pasha's country. And then they came all the way down. And then when they were walking on the shoulders of the horse, Aga Yunus Pere felt, hey, Gorole, you might be lying to me. Yeah, you said you are the Sultan of a country, and you said you will not get married after me. You will not get another woman. But what about if you are not the Sultan of a country, and what about if you get married before me? So, and then, yeah, and then she asked the question to Gorole Beg. And Gorole Beg said, hey, Aga Yunus Pere, don't worry about that. If the man is healthy, if he's what's it, which means if the man is healthy, there will be poor time, there will be wealthy time, right? And then Gorole Beg told the story, and then Gorole Beg looked up to the Aga Yunus Pere and started to sing this song. Let's listen how he performed this song. If there is a man is healthy and alive, no worries about anything. He will take care of you.